Hey guys! Today I'm going to show you how you can record your screen with OBS Studio. You find OBS at obsproject.com. It is available for Windows, macOS and Linux, and the good thing is that it's free and open source. I already installed it, so let's jump into it. First you need to add a source. So over here at the source window, click on plus and then click on Screen Capture XSHM. Now we need to go to the settings and configure some things. First click on Output and then here at Recording Format you can choose the format you want. I'm picking MP4. Next we go to the Audio tab and here I configured it like this, that I have desktop audio on default and also desktop audio 2, and then here on mic I'm choosing my microphone, which is the USB audio device mono. And then we also need to have a look at the Video tab. Here you need to make sure that you have the right resolution. So in my case my monitor has the resolution 1920 x 1080, so I'm choosing this. And also here on output I want that the video also outputs this resolution. And to save everything you need to click on Apply and on OK. When you are all done with your settings, you click on Start Recording, then minimize the window, do what you want to record, and then at the end click on Stop Recording. The last thing I want to show you is where you find the recording. For this, click on File, then on Show Recordings, and there you find your recordings. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching and have a nice day.